Alright, on the way in the back of the other car, we have a exclusive business car. I'm not gonna climb on that because I feel like it's a trap. Here's the view, the picture of the outside. There's Strasburg across the street. It actually looks kind of nice. Is this the Shea locomotive? It is the Shea locomotive. Hopefully, I know too much about trains. I'm tired of running around all over the place, trying to just find wherever shit is. Now, if you go up these stairs here, you can actually see what's actually inside. Look inside here, you'll find. Well, let's see. Looking inside here, you got seating of like passenger things, and like some sort of kitchen area. Going down from here now, you'll see that there's a Pennsylvania. There's the F right there as well. This is a B1, which is the most weirdest thing ever. Cause look how small this is. This is like it's like a prototype of a steam locomotive gone wrong. And look, you could just look. Climbing up here. Climb up here and you'll see what was at the back of this car. This is the introduction car. Got a typewriter, a cabin, a bed. I think I might have lost Uncle Living and my dad, but I'll find them later. As I ever get rid of this like power maze. Now I'm gonna you can actually go inside this. A traveling classroom. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm just trying to go fast here. Sorry if I'm going fast, guys, for any of you. You guys can just slow it down if you want to, but oh please. So, yeah, if you watch this, my hair, I have to almost duck down just so I can fit it under here, but ready, steady, set. Oh, nah, I am not reading all that. That's just about probably dudes. Oh my god. There's just so many things here. You got freight car equipment, local and transit equipment. You got so much things you have in here. And some of these are just displays. The hand-on learning labs. You got the entire thing here, and I don't want to be in here anymore. That's just too dangerous. So, continuing on here, we have some sort of rail, I think. A hand car, whatever that thing is. Speeders, and the PLL caboose. You also got GP38-2 over there, cab. I'll go in there later. This is cool right here, an actual model of tractor time. Fixing to laying down gravel to just plain old rails. That's a bay window caboose. We have a tanker car. Here's an old thing that they still use, I think. An old Ford pickup. Oh my god, those people up there. There's something there. Where did they get the ice? I'm not reading that. The abundant goods. Let's go inside here. This is interactive. The Delaware and Hudson. Oh lord. Yeah, I'm not watching that. I don't know what that was. Then here's some sort of diorama of comedy goods. You have boxcars here, passenger car there. A little small Lackawanna booth. A Lackawanna steam locomotive, Camelback, and just a bunch of random cars scattered all over the place. Lehigh Valley, that's a heritage unit for considering. Alright. Pennsylvania. Two-way hopper. Well, right. Pennsylvania. This is a Pennsylvania. Here's the picture of Pennsylvania. Which one is? This one is a 280. Here's a snowplow train. You go up, the snow goes that direction, flying, and that one goes that direction, flying. And we're going on this side now. Oh, Jesus, that scared me. We got a picture of the steam locomotive of the T1 cab. Holy God! So this is what Tunnel 102 looks like. There's the whistle. I think. God dang. Look, damn check information. New, original. I'm not pressing anything. Okay, we're gonna leave that alone. Train is original, Vermont, Keystone, whatever that says. Original. I don't know what that's doing. Shit, I know we can answer this one. Let's see what we got up here. This is over. Holy. Look, we got every single Mountain, Berkshire, Texas. Holy God, they actually charred ass like his own. Paying attention. Wow. Alright, here's the FP7. It is pretty dark though, but you can see some things. There's 3 seats in here. Also, the cab that was just in was a 100 horn, I think. 2 horns, the secondary one and the first one. Door on each side. Next cab was a H2466 cab for Reading. I have never. Train master. Red flag. Seat there. Holy God. Everything was so difficult. And then here's the picture of some, I don't know, like an H7. No, like, I don't think an H7. Probably like an E unit or an F unit. I don't know. I may be saying some things wrong, but I do not care. Damn. If any of you guys have been here before, that's great. This is my first time being here, so I might get some things wrong. I don't care. The railroad police, yes, I hate them. Fuck them. They really like shooing us away. And we'll just come right back. You know why? Because we are rail fanners / foamers, and we want to get this train. So piss off. Diesel simulator. Huh. Oh, sure. Oh, I'm a 04 is 2. Ah, man, you can't yell in the cab. That would be cool to operate this diesel with the Jeep 38. As you can just see it. It's first. Separate now, separate. I have, you guys seen on my channel a bunch of GB38s I saw pulling a train, but that's cool. This one is the BC for Pennsylvania. If you guys are wondering why the camera is turned, well, people walking past me, I don't want to take video camera. Here we go. Baggage car. And then here's the Chicago, Milwaukee, and St. Paul. I think this is the baggage. Where this is the mail car. What the Vulcan? A diesel? Yeah. This thing is small. Literally. Ayo, the Hersher. Wait, this is the Shay, isn't it? Oh, wait, these all three are the Shays, aren't they? This is like a Shay, I think, or something. I don't know what that is. Poor man's locomotive. Then here's the famous one, the Shay. You can actually still find the Shay locomotives, the off-center thing, in the lumber railroad. Who just take trips or